Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make mini egg quiche. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and grease a 12-cup muffin tin. Whisk eggs with 1 cup milk, salt, and pepper. Stir in 1 cup grated cheese and chopped vegetables or cooked bacon. Press crust dough into cups or use liners, fill each 2/3 full, and bake until set and golden. Let cool briefly before removing for best results. In this video, I will show how to make mini egg quiche. Gather 6 large eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 cup shredded cheese, salt, and pepper. Chop fillings small so they fit evenly in each cup and distribute flavor. Pre-cook watery vegetables like mushrooms or zucchini to avoid soggy quiches. Measure ingredients with a cup and spoon for repeatable results and a balanced custard every time you bake these tiny delights. In this video, I will show how to make mini egg quiche. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers and playing music while you cook, and it fits neatly on a counter without taking space. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make mini egg quiche. Whisk eggs and milk until blended, then fold in cheese and fillings gently. Spoon mixture into prepared cups, leaving space for rising. Tap the tin lightly to release air bubbles and level the filling for consistent cooking. Bake in a preheated oven and check centers with a toothpick. A small amount of moist crumbs is ideal. Cool 5 minutes before removing from tin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.